Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something very exciting. I actually ordered a designer bag from Ssense, which I've been wanting for a really long time. If you guys don't know, Ssense is currently having a sale and they have a bunch of designer items that are on sale up to 50% off. And the bag that I got was actually 50% off. So I don't know if it was just my luck or the right timing, but whatever it was, I'm happy because I have wanted this bag for so long and I finally got my hands on it. So let's unbox it together. So I have the box here. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it on camera, but I'm really excited. I hope I love it. I mean, I've seen so many pictures online and videos of people with this bag, and I've had it on my wish list for probably almost a year now. So, oh, I'm kind of nervous. Okay. There's a lot of paper. Okay. So here's the packaging. I got a Jacquemus bag. They wrapped it up really nicely, actually. And I like that it comes with a dust bag because I want to keep this bag in really good condition. It's not going to be like an everyday bag for me. I'll probably use it, I don't know. Actually, let me not say that. It might be, but we'll see. Anyways, okay. So it comes in this beautiful dust bag. So first we have, no, I'll open that after. I think this is the crossbody strap. So I'll open that last because let's get to the exciting stuff. Okay, so it obviously comes with like the tag. Says, where is it? Says Ssense on it. Has like the item number and all that stuff. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh my god. It's so cute. You guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you don't know, brown is my favorite color, especially like dark chocolate brown. Oh my gosh. Do you see how cute this is? I don't know what this is for. Oh, I think it was like maybe under there to keep it structured. Okay, this is adorable. So it's this dark brown bag. It has gold detailing. I believe this is the Le Bambino bag. I got it in the color brown, obviously, but there's like midnight brown and then brown, and I think this is just, yeah, this is just brown. Oh my god. I love it so much. Wow, this bag is amazing quality. I don't think I've ever felt a Jacquemus bag in person before, so I didn't really know how the quality was going to be, but this is very durable and like an incredible leather. And the stitching is so nice. Wow, it's like very sturdy. I don't know if you guys have felt one before, but it's really nice. Okay, I'm kind of scared to open it. Okay, it's a little stiff, but that's obviously because it's brand new. Okay, so it just opens up. It's pretty small. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. Oh, there's other tags inside. Yeah, I will say it's a little stiff, but I don't mind that because I know over time it won't be, but it's so cute. It's not like shiny, but it's a very smooth leather. Oh my god. And it has like a little pocket at the back. Oh, this is so cute. This is gonna be my new favorite bag. Do you see how cute this is? This is like my dream bag in my favorite color. It's like the perfect size. You guys know I love a mini bag, but this is definitely my favorite. I don't mind the gold. I do wear silver jewelry, but I think when I wear this bag, I will wear it with gold jewelry, although I don't mind like mixing silver and gold together sometimes. I think it could be cute, but this is adorable. Anyway, let me show you what came inside. I don't think this is anything, just tissue paper. Came with the Jacquemus tag. Yeah, so this is the Le Bambino bag. It only comes in one size and it's in the color brown. You guys can see on the tag. It's not focusing. Anyways, comes with the Jacquemus tag, so you know it's real. It's 100% calf leather, and the lining is 100% cotton. And then there's just a little tag that tells you how to take care of it. It just says each leather is unique and has been carefully selected by our team. Irregularities and variations in shade are due to the fact that the leather is a natural material, which is obvious, but when you are not using your accessory, please store it in the dust bag in a dry place. So I'm definitely gonna be keeping it in the dust bag just so it doesn't get ruined or anything, but let's see the crossbody strap. Came wrapped, which I like. Oh yeah, this is so cute. And it looks like it's gonna be a good length. I hate when crossbody straps are too long and then your bag is like hanging down by your hips. I mean, like past your hips. I like it to kind of sit above. So I think this is going to be perfect. Wow, the craftsmanship on this is incredible. I don't know if you guys can see, like the stitching is really well done. Like I said, this is my first Jacquemus bag and I kind of want to order more before the sale ends. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to order another one because this is adorable and I'm obsessed. Also, I love that on the strap on the hardware, it does say Jacquemus on it. You can't see, but this is so cute. I'm so happy. I was debating on getting this one or it was kind of like this, not twill. It's like a textured cream bag. I was also looking at the croc print cream color bag as well, but I'm really happy with my decision. Let's see. Okay, I'll show you. This is so cute, you guys. Hold on, I'll stand up. Like, this is so adorable. Like I said, it sits perfectly above the hip. It's so cute, but I'll probably wear it as like a little mini bag because that's more my vibe, but I love it. And I don't know if I said the price. This was originally $1,100 and I got it on sale for $535. I think it came to like $600 after tax. So that's a really, really amazing price for a designer bag. I don't know if you could find another designer bag for that price, but it's so cute. Oh, I'm really happy. I'm really happy with this. It's really well made. I'm like examining it. This is definitely my new favorite bag. So let's see what fits inside. I have all my stuff here that I normally keep in my bag, so I want to see what's gonna fit. I honestly don't think it's gonna fit that much. The inside's very small. I don't know if you can see. Also, don't mind my nails. My nail lady moved and I'm trying to find someone new to do my nails, but that's besides the point. We're focusing on the bag. I have my AirPods, which I don't know if all this is gonna fit, honestly, but I don't need my AirPods, actually, forget that. I have my card holder, which kind of fits, but I think you're supposed to, no, this isn't, yeah, you could put your cards back here. I mean, I'd rather keep mine inside, so we'll see if it fits. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but it's a little tight. I have my everyday lip balm. This is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar. I love this. So that fits. That's most important. I have a hand sanitizer, which also fits. And I have my keys, which I obviously need my keys. So it's a little tight. Okay, it doesn't all fit. So I'm gonna have to probably just bring, I don't even need my card holder. Well, I kind of do because my license. I have all my cards on Apple Pay, so I don't really need my cards. I could just stick my license like in the back here. But honestly, the card holder, okay, no, the card holder and the lip balm fit. I do have a hand sanitizer in my car, so I don't really need that. And then I have my hand cream, which I can also just leave in my car. So if you're wondering what fits in here, not much. Just like my card holder and my lip balm. But what more does a girl need? I mean, that's the essentials. So that's all for today's unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is definitely my new favorite bag and I love it. If you guys want it, you better run to the Ssense website right now because I think their sale is ending. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. I'm just saying if you want to have a cute designer bag that's on sale, you should go buy one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.